Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have your data and chart goal. Start by importing the dataset into Sway or your charting tool, then map fields to axis and labels. Once done, pick the most appropriate chart type for the message. Use line for trends and bar for comparisons. Make sure to normalize units and set the time frame to daily, weekly, or monthly as needed. Also, define a primary axis and legend placement now so the visual builds correctly as you proceed. With mapping in place, clean and transform the values. Fill blanks, parse dates, and optionally trim extreme outliers to avoid misleading scales. Next, choose aggregation, sum for totals, average for rates, so the chart reflects the right level of detail. Then style with purpose. Assign contrasting color palettes, enable markers for key points, and add explanatory tooltips. Once styled, preview with sample time slices to verify. Finalize by validating key figures against the original data to ensure no transformation error crept in. Then set export options, static image for print or interactive embed for dashboards, and add clear titles and concise captions for context. If the chart looks off, a common fix is to recheck data types and time zone conversions or to examine aggregation boundaries. If interactive tooltips show blanks, verify field bindings. One tip: toggle raw data view to quickly spot mismatched rows, causing display errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.